Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a bunny Easter basket for Easter. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start up here at the top of the page, and we're going to start by drawing the bow on top of the Easter basket. So we start with sort of a roundish square there, and then we're going to do one side of the ribbon coming off this side like this, and we're going to wrap around and connect it. And let's do the other side now, and it's up. It's kind of like a curved triangle and around, and then we're going to connect it back here like that. And then we'll do two ribbon pieces coming off the bottom. So starting right about here, it's a curved line and then a curved inline, and then back to the middle there. And we're going to do the same on this side here. So down from here, a curved ribbon like that. And let's do a couple of ribbon lines that are where it's tied here like this, like that. Okay, now on this side of the ribbon, we're going to do the handles of the basket. So it's just a curved line down starting right about here, and it just curves down like this and stops. And then we're going to go back to the top, and it's doing a curved sort of parallel line with the one we just did, and we're going to stop right about there. And now we're going to do the same on this side. It's a curved line down, starting about here, curved line down. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video for more time. And then we're going to do another one here, like the other side. And stop right about there. Now let's do some lines because it's a weaved basket. So we'll do a line here, just down. So slightly curved lines down the side. And let's do the same over here. Like that. Okay, now we're going to finish off the basket here. We're going to do, starting over here, we're going to do a little curved line here for the edge, and then we're going to do a big wrapping curved line down all the way around and around the bottom. And then back up. This is the bottom of the basket. And then we'll stop there and we'll do a little curved line out like that. And now we're going to do the edge of the basket, but we're going to stop because I'm going to draw a bunny face right on the bottom here of this basket. So it's a Easter bunny basket. It's kind of crazy. So here we're just going to do a curved line and another curved line and another curved line. And we're going to stop there, and then from this side we're going to do a curved line, curved line, curved line. And we'll back to the top. We'll do a curved line, so we'll stop there. Same over here. And we'll stop like that. For now, let's draw the face now. So we're going to start by doing the face of the bunny. So we'll do one of their ears now. So starting here, we'll do a curved up line like this. Over and around. And we'll do a curved line like this. And then we'll do the other ear. Up. And over and around. Like that. And let's finish the basket across the middle like that. Maybe we'll do a weave line like that. We'll do these ones here like this. Like that. Okay, now let's finish the face off the bunny here now. So starting over here, we're going to do a curved line like this. And it's going to come into the bottom of the basket, and we're going to do the same on the other side. Like that. And then inside the ear shapes, let's do some color separation lines so we can give them pink interior ears, and we'll do one over on this side too. They're kind of just elongated oval shapes around like that. And now let's do the face here. So we'll start with an eye here, and it's just a circle. That, and a circle over here like this. And let's do a smaller circle for the highlight inside, and then we'll color those in black. Okay, now let's do the nose in the middle, and this is just kind of like a triangle. Color it in black. It's kind of a curved triangle, and we'll do the mouth and muzzle, one line like that, and a curved up line on the other side like that. And let's give it some teeth. And let's just sort of a curved straight line-ish down, and then one in the middle here like that. And let's do some whiskers to make it extra cute. One there, here, and there, like that. Okay, now let's draw some eggs in the basket and some grass. So starting over here, we'll do some grass like this, and the same on this side. And now let's do some grass across the middle, like that, and like that, and like that. And now let's draw the eggs, and these are going to be, they're sitting in the grass, so we don't have to draw the whole egg shape, just a partial of it. So around like that, and then we'll do one up like this and over like that. Stop right about there, and let's do a third egg that comes up and over around like this. And they wouldn't be Easter eggs if they didn't have a cool pattern on them. So now we'll make this one have stripes. So we'll do some stripes on it. Maybe this one's polka dotted. Do some circles all over it, polka dots. And maybe we do some simple flowers on this one. Okay, and lastly, let's do a couple of texture lines on the basket to give it some dimension and make sure it looks like it's a weaved basket. You can kind of put these wherever. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. Okay, I'm going to start by coloring in my bunny face first, and I'm going to make the bunny fur kind of an off-white. We'll do the inside of the ears a pink. And we'll do the basket kind of a lightish brown. I always love making Easter eggs for Easter. It's really fun. And we'll make the grass in the basket kind of a light green. We'll make the bow kind of a lavender purple for Easter color, kind of a springtime color. And we'll do one of the eggs kind of have light blue stripes. Maybe we'll do light blue. And we'll do this one yellow. You can make your Easter eggs any color you want. That's what's fun about it. Orange polka dots. We'll make this one kind of a bright purpley pink. With more purple flowers. Maybe yellow in the middle of the flowers. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Happy Easter! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.